Today, I will tell you about healthy tips. Balanced diet. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your diet. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive intake of saturated and trans fats. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Water is essential for various bodily functions. Regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. Adequate sleep. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Good sleep is crucial for physical and mental health. Manage stress. Practice stress management techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Take breaks and make time for activities you enjoy. Limit alcohol and avoid smoking. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. Limit or avoid smoking and exposure to secondhand smoke. Regular health checkups. Schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider for preventive care and early detection of potential health issues. Maintain a healthy weight. Aim for a healthy weight through a combination of a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Socialize and connect. Foster positive relationships with friends and family. Social connections are important for mental health. Limit screen time. Reduce the time spent on screens, especially before bedtime. This includes phones, computers, and television. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands regularly to prevent the spread of germs. Maintain oral hygiene by brushing and flossing your teeth regularly. To know more, please contact us.